Hey family and friends, I'm going to show you a simple way how to make your own hair conditioner with avocado, a boiled rice, a fresh avocado mayo with a honey. So we got 4 ingredients. A boiled rice, I did boil the rice this morning. A fresh avocado mayo and a fresh avocado itself. So what I'm gonna do, before you put anything directly on your face, on your hair, on your body, in your mouth, please make sure you wash it very well. I have washed this. Okay, I'm gonna get this blender, put them at the side, and then I'm gonna peel this avocado. You can get a juicy one. I like this one because it's fresh. I'm gonna use them. This is my hair conditioner. Before we normally pour olive oil, but this one I'm not putting olive oil inside. I'm going to put honey, and I'm going to use it directly on my hair. Make sure you boil the rice very well, soft like a baby food, like a porridge. Boil it very well, and then you have to blend them very well. So I'm going to remove the avocado from the seed, and then just take a little bit of it. I don't want to make it too much. Right? Put the other rest. Remove your chopping bowl. Put them one side like this. Then I'm going to add my cooked rice. It's already soft. You can see that it's very soft. Add my avocado mayo with it. Then get a fresh honey. Put it in like that. If I'm not adding milk. Then put them here. And then get the blender. You shake them together like this. Okay. Then you shake it up. If you want everything to be smooth, you don't want it to be sticky on your hair. make sure they are all smooth very, very well. You don't want any bit inside because I'm using so what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna remove this bit. We don't need it. Make sure you remove it and clear everything from inside. We don't need this. I really don't need it because I got all the ingredients for my hair. So what I'm gonna do now, whatever remain from the honey, you put it here. Then you take it out. Can you see how it looks? It looks so yummy. But it's for my hair. It looks so delicious, but it's also for my hair. So I'm using it for my hair. I'm using it directly on my hair. So take every part from inside. You got honey, you got avocado mayo, and you got the avocado itself. You got a rice that I boiled the rice this morning because I know that I'm going to wash my hair and do my hair condition. So you can see it's very, very smooth. You can hardly see any part inside. So what you're going to do, just stir it like that. And you stir it very well. Make sure there's no bit inside. You see? Very soft and smooth and nice, like delicious. And what I'm going to do, because I don't want to dirty my hand or I don't want to dirty my glasses. So I'm going to remove my glasses because my hand is already dirty. So I don't want to mess up my glasses. So I'm going to remove it and then use this for my hair condition. So as you can see, I did some parts. See? So I did it in three ways. This is the example. That's why I always like to show the example of my hair. This is my hair though. From 2018, it was here. Like that. 2018. Actually, my bad. 2018, I cut it very, very short. So it was like that. Right? Now, from 2018 to 2022, we are now here. Can you see that it's long, very, very. So the last time when I did the length, it was stopping on top of my nose. Now it has passed on top of my nose. It's now nearly, yeah, it's around my mouth. That shows that it's actually growing. My hair is growing. I will give you another example like this with the length. Okay, you can tell from here, before it was stopping here. Now, on my chin. So, these are the remedy I normally do on my natural hair. I don't put chemical on my hair. So, what I do, this is what I normally do. Get this, don't be afraid, apply it directly on the hair. Soak it in. You got honey, you got mayo, and then you got rice. You can also do avocado mayo with eggs and milk, and then add honey. For this one, there's no eggs. We're not using the eggs. We are using the honey directly. No eggs, no milk. So this alone gave me my hair condition. I'm going to leave it for 30 minutes and then wash it off. Wash it off properly. Then I'm going to do this one with the other part. With this one. Don't be afraid. All these bits, make sure you put it in front of the hair because people sometimes suffer from hair loss at the front of their hair. And do that. Make sure you massage it. Massage it very well. It smells so good. Like I want to yummy eat it. But unfortunately it's for my hair. It's for my hair. Same thing like that. Make sure that you apply it directly at the back of the hair. All this, rub it in very, very, very well. All these things I normally use on my little girl hair. Use it on her hair. Her hair is naturally long. She inspired me to keep my hair naturally. From since she was a baby, I used to look after her hair. Her hair is now like past my hair. She got sensitive scalp. So if I put chemical on the hair, on her hair, her scalp will be itching. So all these ones, I normally make it hair conditioner for her hair, apply it directly on her hair. So this is it. And then you massage it. Make sure you massage the hair. Rub it in very well and just keep on rubbing it. Don't be scared. Make sure if you got long hair past mine, you can use 2 of these or 3 of it. Use the honey, use the avocado meal, and use the boiled rice and white rice. You can get it from any shop. Soak it overnight. It will soften the rice. Then you boil it. You want the rice, the texture of the rice should be like a baby food. This is the texture of it because you don't want any bit of rice in your hair. So you have to boil very well because when I put my hand like this, it just melts soft because you want it to come out like this. Okay, that's how you want it to come out. Very, because when you wash it off, you don't want any right bit on the hair. It's hard to remove. Trying to take it off is very hard to remove. Sorry, just because I touched it a bit. That's why. It's very hard to remove. So I always make sure I blend it very well, smoothly, like a baby food. Like young baby food. And you just rub it in. And then I'm just going to leave it for 30 minutes. Let it soak in. Then I'm just going to wash it off. And then after washing it off, they add, either I can use my coconut oil, my almond oil, or my virgin olive oil. I don't use any other stuff. Or I might use my carrot oil that I make. Use my carrot oil or use my olive oil that I make myself. So use those ones and just apply it directly on my hair. Or I can use my rosemary seed oil. That is also good. Okay, it's very healthy. It allows the hair to grow naturally. Do not put, please don't put, stop putting too much chemical on your hair, please. You can see, stop putting too much chemical. Too much chemical is not good. See, I'm so happy with the length of my hair. From 2018, I did cut my hair, did like my front hair very short, and I used to wear wig to cover it. When I noticed that my hair was growing healthy and nicely, neatly, then I started twisting my hair to allow it to grow. And now, and I'm still twisting my hair because I make that decision to keep my hair natural. So now I am enjoying every minute of it. When I'm going to a party, if I don't want to keep the twist in my hair, I just loose it up and leave it like that, no brushing, and just leave it curly. It's so beautiful. Or I just put my afro hair up and look beautiful. Put some nice African earring, TGK earring, and just put it there. Put some nice, beautiful stuff on your hair and look good. Okay, that's what I love. I love my hair. Love it, love it, love it. From TGK Beauty, have a blessed day and God bless you.